breakfast. All right, well, so I highly rated this hotel last night just because of the way the hotel looked. Let's check out what they had for breakfast because of COVID and all this stuff. I already sort of opened this just because I wanted to see what it looked like, but I'll show you guys. So there's a breakfast sandwich. Yeah, this is what it looks like. Just, you hear that noise? Oh God. I'm hungry, I'm still gonna eat it, but I'm not gonna highly rate this. Let's see what else we get. Nutrient bar. Otis Spunkmeyer muffin. And a mini strawberry cream cheese bagel. Literally no nutritional value in anything. Maybe the Nutri-Grain bar. Honestly, probably just gonna eat this sandwich and drink the coffee, but you know, hey. All right, so hotel 8, food right now 1. There you go. Let's get on the road. All right, guys, we are all locked and loaded, and now we are on our way to our second destination on the trip, and that is Sioux Falls, South Dakota, I think. Yeah, I think it's South Dakota. Anyway, I got about 9 hours and 30 minutes, maybe almost 10 hours, depending on traffic ahead of me, so I gotta get going. Let's go. Today, so I'm just gonna have a little drive talk with you guys, I think, again. Let's see, what should we talk about today? Maybe like I said yesterday, maybe another thing that I'm gonna miss about being back home and the changes that I gotta go through by doing this. Man, I think one of the things that I'm really gonna miss is like my creative freedom that I have back home in my office. I think I'm really gonna miss being able to just go into my normal studio, my office that I showed you guys, you know, multiple times, that I've redone multiple different times in multiple different locations. I'm gonna be missing my freedom to just go in there, kind of write a script on my computer, and then just film it, and then do what I want with it. Because you know, this new adventure for me, where I'm going, I won't kind of have that creative space anymore. I won't have any like an office / studio type thing to just go into and be creative and make videos. So I mean, I guess the positive thing from that is like I got to figure out a new way to be creative and do my videos in a different way, which maybe you guys will find more interesting, because I don't know, man, because I feel like as of late my channel is kind of just, I don't know if it's because of this year, maybe because COVID, the channel was going up, and now that everyone's kind of getting back to normal, I don't know, I feel like the channel is just kind of like either leveling off or even going down a little bit. I don't know what kind of content that I'm not giving you guys or whatever. Maybe my videos is a little too more cut and dry because you're seeing the same thing over and over again, the same set every single time. I'm not sure. So I think maybe this will be a positive. I don't really know. Tell me what you guys think down in the comments. Let me know what you guys think about that, and how you would feel basically if you guys are creators too, and then you have your own little setup and everything like that. Even if you're gamers, if you have to leave your main setup that you're always used to, sitting down, you know, you're ready to game, you put your headset on, and you're good to go. You feel comfortable there. If you basically are uprooted from that, you got to go somewhere else, and you're told you got to basically go from this awesome like setup that you made just for you, and you got to basically now move to a mobile setup that can kind of go anywhere, and you got to just be flexible with it. Maybe some of you guys already do that all the time. Maybe you travel all the time. Let me know in the comments below what you guys do, and if any of you guys do that too, because I'm gonna need a little encouragement to figure out what I'm gonna do from here on out. So there you go. There's our talking portion for today. Oh my God, a town. Holy crap. I've been driving for like 3 hours and haven't seen a single soul. There's finally a town. It's actually kind of cool too. Nice. People, civilization, you know, it's nice to see. Ooh, 25. Yeah. Definitely a town. Okay.
2 hours later.
And now we are in South Dakota. And it's just more of the same. But apparently Mount Rushmore is here, so we might have to go see it. But yeah, the landscape is just flat. Just flat. Alright, well, Mount Rushmore was a no-go because it's like 30 minutes the other way and then another 30 minutes and that'd be an hour. But guess what's here? That's right off the highway, and also there's food, so we're gonna do that. Now you guys are probably wondering why I go to Best Buy when I'm on this long journey. Well, I need to stretch my legs, and what better way than to walk around to Best Buy and check out some awesome PC tech and whatnot, because Best Buy has been doing a lot better at it now. So, only thing, still no graphics cards, so still the same. You know what, call me crazy, but I actually forgot one of my mouse mats because I don't have enough room for a giant mouse mat where I'm going, so bought myself a new little Corsair one. So there we go. Ended up being a successful mission.
3 hours later.
Can you move it along? I'm all out of time cards.
And would you look at this? Made it to my destination. My hotel's right next to me and right on E. I even looked at my range in my car. Look at that. Doesn't even know how many miles I got left. But look at my miles per gallon in this damn thing. A turboed car getting almost 27 miles per gallon. That is pretty sick. Once again, pretty standard stuff. We got ourselves the king bed. The usual layout. Look at that. TV, got a desk set up, very nice, we like that. And once again, we got a couch and everything. All right, here's the real test. Do we got a fridge or anything? Yes, we do. Nice, it's always good to see. And then we got in here, storage. Cool. All right, well, not bad. But I'm extremely tired, so I'm gonna eat my terribly unhealthy food and probably go to sleep now. So, goodbye.
Tomorrow.
Hotel number 3. Once again, similar suite layout. TV, bed, everything. There we go. Got the desk. Similar stuff, you guys, but there we go. Nice room.
Tomorrow for sure.
All right, guys and gals, so another 8 hours and 13 minutes it says today, so let's go. Hotel room number 4. Alright guys, so final day number 5 of the week. We have left our 4th hotel and we are on our way to Maryland, Fort Meade now. And I'm currently in West Virginia. That's right. Good old take me home, country road. Yeah, that one. I was in Pennsylvania for like 5 seconds. Now I'm in West Virginia, and now we're on our way to go to Maryland. And then I get to show up at the base. Got to talk to my MTL, military training leader, for those of you that don't know, and find out where they're going to put me for 2 weeks for a quarantine, I guess. So apparently he told me yesterday they already got a room for me. So I guess I'll find I'm not ending the video here, then I will show you the living situation next. But if not, maybe it'll be in the next video. Anyway, goodbye.